Now, good morning, my dear students. Jai Shri Krishna. Let's read out chapter 3 of computer. So, topic of our chapter is computer and men. Okay, how man works and how computer works. Okay, so let's read out what computer can do. You will study in this chapter about what computers can do and what computers cannot do. Okay, we know that a computer is a man-made thing, as we all know, right? That computer is a man-made thing. It is developed by man. It is the most useful machine made by man. This is very useful machine, right? As we all know, today we are using computers very much. Okay, it can do a lot of things better than a man, because sometimes we do some mistakes, but computers cannot mistake. But there are certain things that a computer cannot do. Various things are there that computer cannot do by his own. Let's read out. Okay, Aryan and his laptop computer are arguing to prove themselves better than the other. Let's find out who is better. So students, here Aryan and his laptop are fighting. They are saying, like, Aryan is saying, I am the best, and computer is saying, I am the best. But they don't know how they are best. Okay, so my dear students, let's see who is better. Okay, so my dear students, open your next page. What computers can do. Now computer is saying, I never forget things. I can store large amount of information. Now computer is saying, I never forget things. I remember all the things, and I can store large amount of files, informations, whatever you can feed in my computer. Okay, so now Aryan is saying, oh, I forget things. Now we also forget things, as we all know this. Okay, but machines remember all the things. Now next point. Now students, machine is saying, I never get tired or bored of anything. I am energetic. I am always energetic. Okay, now man is saying, means Aryan, I am so tired and bored of this game. I get tired so easily, but machine never gets tired or bored of anything. Okay students, now next is, I do calculations very fast. Now machine is saying, I can do calculations very fast. But now Aryan is saying, oh, I cannot work so fast. So this shows that machines do calculations very fast. Now open your next page. Let's continue with the conversation of Aryan and laptop. Hooray! I never make mistakes. Now laptop is saying, now machine is saying, I never make mistakes. Now Aryan is saying, oh, I solved the sum wrong. I have made mistake. I make so many mistakes. So this shows machine is best. What computers cannot do. Let's study what computers cannot do. I can feel. I have no emotions. Computer says, I have no emotions. Now Aryan is saying, I have emotions. I love my mummy and papa, like you love your mother and father. Likewise, Aryan loves his mummy and papa. Okay, now machine is saying, I cannot think or take decisions. I cannot think. Only you can guide me. What should I do? Now Aryan is saying, I can think and take decisions. I have my exams. I must study. I can take my decisions by own. But you cannot take your decisions by own. We have to guide you. Now, open your next page. Like you, I do not depend on electricity or batteries to work. I work on my own. Now, Aryan is saying, I don't want any electricity or battery. I have my own energy and I work my own. Now, Machine is saying, I cannot work without electricity or battery. This is very bad. Now Aryan is saying, I do not need your instructions to work. I can do my work as I want. But now Machine is saying, I cannot work without your instructions. You have to guide me and then I will do my work. Now here is written, a computer is a man-made machine. As we all know, computer is a man-made machine and is dependent on man. Only we can guide machines to work. Okay, it cannot even start work without our instructions. We have to start it, then we have to select an option, then only it can work. But when we use computers for our work, the computers work better than us. Isn't it interesting? Yes, as we all know, we forget something, we forget to multiply, or we made mistakes also, but computers do work very neatly. So let's read out Add to Knowledge. We give instructions to the computer using a keyboard or a mouse. Okay, now let's summarize what we have learned. Let's read out. A computer can do a lot of things better than a man. Understand? There are certain things that a computer cannot do. A computer cannot work without the instruction of a man. Understand, my little kids? Okay, with this we have completed our chapter number 3. We will meet in our next video. Till then, read this chapter, solve these questions given in your PDF and learn it.